guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the Bajaj Dominar 250 which is being recently updated with the new colors and the new graphics. So we'll talk about this bike in this video. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do subscribe. So without further delay, let's start the video. So starting from the front, here we get the same windscreen with number plate mount, and we get the fully LED headlamp over here, and the brightness is quite great of the Dominar 400 as well as of the Dominar 250. Now talking about the indicators, we get the LED indicators in this bike. So now talking about the front wheel, now we get the silver color alloys with the neon color rim tapes. The front tire comes with the 100/80 section with 17 inches of tire. We get dual channel ABS in this bike, and the front disc is quite big. Also in this bike we get the USD front suspension, which is quite great. So in the middle part we get the radiator with the horn mounted in this side. This bike comes with the liquid cooled engine, and we get the single horn mounted over here. Now if you see on the engine cowl, graphics got updated. This is the left side profile view of Bajaj Dominar 250. Well, on the fuel tank you will get the Dominar written in the 3D logo, which looks quite premium. Also on the fuel tank you will see the silver color graphics, which gives great appearance to the bike. Now talking about the engine, so as I said, this bike comes with the liquid cooled engine with 248cc of engine, which will generate 27 PS of power and 23.5 Newton meters of torque. In the middle you will see the silver color part, which also gives the great appearance to the bike. Also this is extended to the back with the neon color graphics and the D250 written over there. In the rear you will see the sari guard mounted, and this bike comes with the open chain system, so you have to clean and loop the chain after 400 to 500 of kilometers. In the rear you will see the D250 written over here, which is 3D logo. This is the right side profile view of Bajaj Dominar 250. So now talking about the rear wheel, in the rear you will get the 130/70 section of tire with the 17 inches. Also in the rear you will get the disc. As I said, this bike comes with the dual channel ABS. In the rear as well as in the front you will get the MRF tires. Also this bike comes with the dual barrel exhaust, and the exhaust note is quite great. Well, over here we get the adjustable monoshock suspension in this bike. So now talking about the instrument console, so this bike comes with the fully digital instrument console with the negative display. So over here we will get the speedometer, fuel gauge indicator, the clock, RPM meter and the odometer. On the fuel tank also you will see some lights of battery and the oil level indicator. If you see, the buttons on the handlebar are backlit, so it will look really great in the night. So in the Bajaj Dominar 250 we will get the 13 liters of fuel tank, and the mileage of the bike is around 35 kmpl in the city. Now coming towards the seat, so here we get the split seat, and the cushioning is quite great. The rider's seat is quite spacious, and it will be great for the rider to ride this bike for a whole long day. And the pillion seat is also quite great, and in the rear you will also see the split grab handles. So now talking about the mirrors, so mirrors are quite great and you will not face any kind of issue while riding on the highway. This is the red and the silver color of the Bajaj Dominar 250. The handlebar is quite wide, and it will be very great to ride this bike for the whole day long. And now talking about the buttons on the handlebar, we will get the passing light, the low beam, high beam, the indicator and the horn button on the left side, and on the right side we will get the engine kill switch with the light button and the self start button. So guys, the on-road price of the Bajaj Dominar 250 is around 1.76 lakhs, which may get vary according to state. And now the Bajaj Dominar looks quite great and quite massive in the new color as well as in the new graphics. So guys, this is it for now. So if you like this video, make sure you do hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So we'll meet in the next video with the new bike and the new information. So till then, thanks for watching.